Hey there, I'm Luke. Today I want to 3D print with a hot glue gun.
To do this, I found my Just a Cube model and decided to try to slice it, because it gives me instructions on how to do it in the Bamboo Lab slicer. We can see exactly which layer is which and to do what with which layer, so therefore it's much easier probably for the most part. Well, I did this with it. I just flipped it over and did that, so now it's flat and it's nice. Oh, gross. It looks like a bunch of blobfishes stacked on top of each other. It worked, I guess, though, so that's something. Some art for no specific reason. Anyways, you should do what it says, because it's wow, that's like this crazy. Anyways. Anyway, I believe it's dry now, so I'm gonna peel it off. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, come on! It's supposed to be one piece, but I guess not. Anyways. Interesting.